Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. In this set of videos, we will be seeing the impact of the Jupiter transit from the present position of Capricorn to Aquarius and its retrogression from Aquarius back to Capricorn. Jupiter gets its transit on 6th of April 2021 and stays till 15th of September 2021 at Aquarius, and again it retrogrades back on 15th of September and comes back to Capricorn, and it will be there till 20th of November 2021, and there will be a normal transit on 20th November 2021 as usual from Capricorn to Aquarius. So we will be seeing the impact of the Jupiter transit for each and every zodiac sign. Whenever the Jupiter is placed in a particular position, it will have certain effects. Also, the Jupiter aspects the 5th house, 7th house and the 9th house from the position where it is. So all the places where the Jupiter aspects will have a very positive effects. Considering this, many viewers had asked me the impact of the Jupiter's this transit and retrogression effects. I had already consolidated certain videos on the 2020-21 Jupiter transit. If you have not viewed those videos, I have provided the link in the description. You can select it and view all these videos. I had also given some percentage for each and every zodiac sign. So that will have a major effect that has got a consolidated effect of all the transit, keeping into consideration of all the planetary positions. But there are certain viewers, they need to know the impact of the Jupiter's transit at Aquarius separately and its the retrogression effect separately. So that is the purpose I am releasing these videos for each and every zodiac sign with the impact of the transit as well as the retrogression. Now we will see for each and every zodiac sign what would be the effect. Cancer, the fourth zodiac sign. For Cancer, from April 6th till September 15th, Jupiter moves away from Capricorn to Aquarius. The transit takes place and it stays for almost 5 months there. The position of Jupiter is not so encouraging as the Aquarius being the 8th house for Cancer. So a lot of mental stress might happen during this time. So those who are in this particular zodiac sign, they may not get the lended money properly. So some of the friends may cheat them. So they should be very much careful while dealing money with the friends. Also in business, they should be very much careful in investing. So this is not the right time for investments, as the 7th and 8th house lord are same and Saturn is a ruler at 7th house. Now when the Jupiter moves away from 7th house to 8th house, the ill effect of Saturn is very much stronger because it starts aspecting the zodiac sign directly. So some of them may get health issues, so they should be very much careful in that. Also when Jupiter moves away to Aquarius, its control over Rahu is also not there. So Rahu is there at the 11th house, to an extent is good, but for some of them, where the Rahu is not properly placed in their personal horoscope, they may find some losses in their revenue. So during this time, whatever the profit they get, there may be some dip in that. Some of them may lose their money due to investments or some other means. So they should be careful in dealing with the money during this particular period. So the position of Jupiter is not so encouraging. But the positive thing is, Jupiter starts aspecting the 12th house. So the expenses will get controlled. So 12th house, which denotes expenses, while Jupiter starts aspecting that house, so most of the expenses could be like for marriages or for some good causes. So there is no chance for spending unwanted expenses. So the unwanted expenses getting reduced. Now Jupiter aspecting the 2nd house seems to be highly positive for them. During this time, there are chances some may get government related jobs. The communication power gets increased. Those who are in the communication field, they will get some good support, they can win out of their enemies, all these good things can happen. Now the Jupiter aspecting the 4th house and already Saturn is aspecting that house. So the ill effect of the 4th house is getting reduced. So some of the investments may get into a positive results. Those who are in the share market, there are chances they will get some marginal profits during this time. The health of the mother may get improved during this time. When we see the negative effects, only because of Rahu and Saturn aspecting the zodiac sign directly are the major effects. Other than that, the movement of Jupiter is not so favorable. So rest of the houses seems to be highly positive for them. Now let us see what will happen when Jupiter retrogrades back to Capricorn. When Jupiter retrogrades back on September 15th to Capricorn, it starts aspecting the Rahu. So the ill effect of Rahu will get reduced. This time there are chances they will get some good benefits. So the profit will start coming to them. The inflow of money will be very smooth. So those who have lended money, they will come and return back the money. So this is a positive sign for them. The position of Jupiter seems to be highly positive because it comes to the 7th house and start aspecting the zodiac sign directly. Those who are unmarried, looking for a good alliance, there are chances this time they may find some suitable alliances. Also, when Jupiter starts aspecting the zodiac sign directly, health issues will get reduced. So people feel better. Those who are struggling from health related problems, they may find a bit relaxed during this time. Now Jupiter aspecting the 11th house, the profit seems to be highly encouraging. Some can invest in fixed assets and can find some marginal profit. Those who are doing business, those who are working in a job, there are chances during this time they may get better placements. The chances of inflow of money is there. Projects will get improved. So all these good things can happen. Jupiter aspecting the 3rd house, there is a good chance for their hard work to get more success. For struggling a lot for long, putting a lot of efforts to get success, this is the right time for them. Whatever the efforts they have put in, very honestly, all these things will turn out to be more successful for them during this time. Some may get benefited out of their sisters and brothers. So these are the major benefits when Jupiter retrogrades back to Capricorn. When we see the ill effects, now the Saturn starts aspecting the 4th house and Jupiter is away from it. So this time again the health issues of the mother and the mother related family, there may be some conflicts. So they should be careful in dealing with them. Also they should be very much careful in buying any assets during this particular period. Buying of vehicle or buying of land is not so encouraging during this time. They should avoid investing huge money in share market as well as in gold or silver. So considering the movement of the transit of Jupiter and its retrogression, we can say there is no big negativity for the zodiac sign Cancer.